Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another great recipe which is shrimp momo. So let's get started. To prepare a shrimp momo, I have this 1 lb shrimps. I'm going to put this shrimp in this chopper. Now it looks like this. I'm going to transfer this in a mixing bowl. Then add finely chopped onion. Then add finely chopped ginger and garlic. Now I'm gonna add this finely chopped spring onion. Then add half teaspoon black pepper powder and add salt as per the taste. Mix it everything. Add 1 teaspoon momo masala. Then again mix it everything together. So our momo stuffing is ready. So I have this pre-made dumpling wrappers which I have got it from Asian grocery store. You can make this dumpling wrapper at home too. So I'm gonna take this one wrapper and then apply the water on top of this wrapper. Then add 1 scoop of momo stuffing. Then give them any shape, whatever shape you like, you can give them. I like this, it's pretty simple. I have wrapped all the momos. I'm going to steam this for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, our momos are ready. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me a feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.